Hi everyone, let's see how you can easily update your monitor driver. To begin with, simply go to Device Manager. Expand the Monitor tab. Right click over this item and go to its properties. Now go to the Details tab. Set it to Hardware IDs. Now select this value and copy it. Go to your browser and search using these details. Now go to the official website of your vendor. Here you will find the driver for your monitor. Simply download it. After the download completes, extract the contents of the folder. Now go to Device Manager again. Right click over Monitor. Click on Update Driver. Choose this option. Now browse and select the folder which you have extracted. And click on OK. And click on Next to install the driver. That's it. Following this method, you can update any monitor driver. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel. Thank you.